Due to the packaging, the hair did get a little bit bent. I just have boiled some hot water and I'm dipping the ends of the braids in there. I'm using the water and the steam to straighten out the hair. If you guys do not want to do this method, you also can use mousse. I know that does it as well, but I stand by what I know and this works.
Look how realistic this looks. This looks like straight up scalp. Like nobody is about to tell me nothing in these streets. Look at this. Do y'all not see the neatness of the braids? Look how neat. And this is why they're called neat and sleek. These braids are popping. I'm just gonna give you guys an up close view of what they look like. They took their time with the braids. Look how pretty that is. I could never, like, even in school when I did mine, my braids didn't look like this. So, woo! Oh my goodness, y'all. I don't know how to feel. Look at the braids. How pretty this is. Now this is waist length. I am gonna, you know, show you guys at a better angle because you can't see, but these braids are super duper long and I'm just here for it. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like, look at that. Who about to come for me today? I don't know. No one can. I'm super hyped already. Look at my, oh my gosh, y'all. Look at my shirt. But as you guys can see, there's a total difference between this color and that. Okay, so my order came in from Erika J Products. I think it's called Erika J Products.com. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but I don't know which order this video is in, so I'm not sure if you guys already seen my last install using her products. If not, this one will be the first one, but that one is coming up. But today I do have her Hold Me Down Holding Spray. I'm super excited to be using this to secure down my unit. Stuck on You styling gel, I'm going to be using that as well to help create my baby hairs. I'm going to wipe the excess makeup off of my hairline though. And then we're going to get right on to spraying it. I'm just going to take these scissors. I don't feel like getting another pair of scissors, to be honest. But I'm going to cut as close as I can to the braid. Not that close to it, but close enough. Alright guys, so I'm gonna spray right here where you see my skin color and my contour color. I'm gonna spray just a little bit right here. I don't know how this comes out. It says spray 10 to 12 inches away from head. I would though like if this was in a spray like this. I feel like it's easier to me, but that's just my personal preference. Alright, so I just blow dried it for 10 seconds because I'm not sure how fast this dries. Pull it up like this. Look how that melted. Like, says wet. Okay, y'all, this stuff is the itch. Like, what? But this side's already stuck. Look at that. That is freaking crazy, y'all. I think I found my new set. Is my new 𝚘𝚘 glue. Okay, that is one side done. I'm just like, what? This is ridiculously insane. Like, this lace on this unit, honey, once it's melted, nobody's about to come for me. Like, you can't even see. Try to come for me. I'm debating on whether I should do the back, like secure the back down. I can't see what's going on back there though. That's my whole point. But like, I don't want this hanging up like that. Like, I'd rather for everything to be secure. So I'll probably do that. Y'all, it looked like I just literally sat in the chair for and I don't know why I'm making it feel like it, but you guys can get this whole look without the pain and everything. I'm laughing because this does not feel real, guys. So I did go ahead and secure the back. I don't know how that looking, so I ain't showing y'all that because y'all not about to laugh at me. I don't know how the back's looking, but I know when I put it up, it's not sticking off like some pieces are. But this side, I did that one okay. I did this one better than the other side, but some pieces are sticking down. It's just hard to do the back of your head because you can't see. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. Y'all, this unit is fire and no one could come for me tomorrow, the next day, or the next day. Like, y'all can't even tell me that this is a wig. I wait, like, really. You just cannot. 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚑, this is a definitely perfect name for them because the braids are nice and neat. There is no inconsistency all the way around. Even in the middle of the unit, the hair is the same. The braids are nice and neat, and I'm just playing with it as I'm talking to you guys because I want you guys to see this goodness even down to the middle. Now the middle section is a little bit bigger. I noticed that most people anyway, when they braid, they always do the perimeter and the nape small, and then towards the middle they make them a little bit bigger, so that's not really a concern for me. This unit is crazy. Like, who's gonna come for me? Look how neat these braids are. Like, I am here for it. Now, like I said, if you guys are not into, you know, getting your real hair braided, this definitely will be something to have in your collection. I am like, sis, when I'm ready for a braided look, I can just pop this off. I mean, I can pop this out my collection and put it on and install it. This is one thing that I love about units like this, because sis, it's not gonna mess up and start getting that little fuzzy thing. You know how in your natural hair a couple of weeks go by and then the roots start looking fuzzy, and it's like, dang, I paid all this money and now my hair is you know, starting to get a little messy, and it's just not worth the money to me. I feel like if you're gonna get braids, I feel like it would be worth an investment to get you something that is gonna last for a long time, a very long time. You don't have to worry about it messing up towards the roots. You can maneuver it, you can play with it without the unit becoming loose, like the braids coming loose and stuff like that. This is just, it's just it, y'all. The length is just very long and it's suitable. I do believe you have an option to get it shorter. I think these are waist length braids if I'm not mistaken, but y'all, this is a unit that you must have. This is my first time trying any units from their company. Definitely impressed, okay? I'm definitely impressed. Yeah, nobody about to come for you, okay? Nobody's gonna come for you in this unit. Neatandsleek got your back, and that's just 100. I stand by this company, and I cannot wait to try other units from them as well. This unit is so bomb, like, ugh. So yeah, that's it on the unit. As far as the spray, y'all, hold me down, holding spray right here. This is gonna be her money maker. She could make like, this deserves to go viral, like freaking viral. When I say freaking viral, I mean viral. This stuff is so good. It dried very quickly. It took me no time at all to secure down my unit, and I'm telling you, where is it going? Like, these braids look like it's coming out my scalp. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until next time, you girls, see you later. Bye guys.